embark on an exciting journey through the Sunshine State. At number 12, we have the alluring Amelia Island. Tucked away in the northeastern corner of Florida, Amelia Island is a gem that shines with a unique blend of history and natural beauty. It's a place where southern charm meets Florida's coastal tranquility. Imagine strolling through a downtown draped in Spanish moss, where centuries-old buildings whisper tales of the island's rich past. This historic charm is complemented by 13 miles of pristine beaches where the sun kisses the Atlantic, and time seems to slow down. But Amelia Island isn't just about history and beaches, it's also a food lover's paradise. The island boasts an impressive array of dining options, from fresh seafood caught right off the coast to southern classics served with a twist. It's this exquisite culinary scene that rounds off the Amelia Island experience. Amelia Island, a perfect mix of relaxation and adventure.